Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2017 video tutorial. I want to do the crankshaft, which I did before in the other programs. So let's start with a sketch, maybe on the XY plane. I want to have symmetry, so I will project the y-axis. Okay. Now let's draw a circle. Diameter should be 80. Okay. Align center point and that point vertically. Then I need some lines. Maybe like this. Make these lines symmetric. This one, that one to this line, and this one and that one to the same. Okay, then I need a 3-point arc. 1, 2, 3. Let's remove this one. Make these two tangent and trim. Okay, that center point and origin should be aligned as well. Now give it some more dimensions. This should be 150. Distance should be 150 as well. The angle should be 40 degrees. The distance between these 2 points should be 35. Nice one. Let's move this circle a little bit down. Okay. And hopefully I didn't catch. Or I did, so I will undo it and move it right here. And the distance between these 2 points should be 5. Or 18. It should be 18. Yep. Finish the sketch. Make an extrude. Make it maybe in the other direction. And make it 20. So I will need some parameters. So I will go to parameters. And I want to have some user parameters. Add numeric. Let's call this body a width, and this should be 20 millimeters. Another one, body B width should be 20 millimeters as well, and another one, body C width, and this should be 40 millimeters, and done. Now I want to have right here a parameter, and this should be body A width, and confirm. So let's call this body A. Okay, I need another one, so I need a sketch on the YZ plane. Maybe I hide this one, and this should look something like this. Okay, give it some dimensions. This should be less, of course. This should be 5. This should be 5. And that one should be, list the parameters, body B width, confirm. Okay. The distance should be 38, and this one should be 42. Okay, and this should be a center line. Nice. Now let's leave the sketch, make a revolve, and make it a new body, and confirm. And I want to call this body B. Okay. I need another sketch, and that's almost the same as this one, so I will copy it. Control C and Control V. Go to the sketch, edit the dimensions. This one should be body C width, confirm. This one should be 24, and that one should be 28. Finish the sketch, make another revolution, and make it a new body and confirm. And this one should be called body C. Okay, this is too small, so I will change the parameters. Go to manage parameters. This one should be 40 millimeters as well. And okay, now let's make this visible. I want to make a pattern with this body A, and the distance should be the width of body B. So I will need another parameter. Go to parameters. Let's make a new one. Call it body AA width, and this should be 2 times body A width plus body B width. Done. Now let's go for the pattern. It's a rectangular pattern. I want to pattern solids. I want to pattern body A. The direction should be set. Turn it around. Make it 2 and make the distance body A width. And OK. If it's wrong, I think it's too much, so it's only 1 times AA. Go back to manage parameters and change this to just 1 and done, and make an update. That's more like it. Now let's move body B. Go to modify, move bodies. I want to move it along a ray, and the body which should be moved is body B. The direction is the Z axis, and this should be body A width, but minus. And OK. Now I want to move body C. So go for move bodies. That's body C. It should be not free drag, but move along ray, and the ray should be the Z axis, and the distance should be 20 plus 40 plus 20, so it's 2 times body A width plus body C width, and it's minus. Okay, and now I just noticed this should be body C, and that should be body A, and this should be moved up 40 as well. Okay, let's go to move body B, and select not this one, but body C. Then remove this one. Confirm. And the second one, this should not be body C, but body B. Yeah, that's more like it. And now I want to move this up in Y direction, so I need another move bodies, and I want to move body C along ray, and it should be the Y direction, and it should be 40. Nice one. And now I want to make a combine, so go for combine. The base should be maybe this one, add that one and that one, and confirm. So now I got this combined body, and I will do a pattern with this one as well. Maybe I could rename this combine, but it's okay. Let's do another rectangular pattern, and again I want to pattern a solid. That's the solid I want to pattern. There's only one, so it's already selected. The direction should be the Z direction, and turn it to this one, and I want to have new bodies, so I got 5 separate bodies. So I want to have 5, and the distance should be, it's body A width plus body B width. Let's check. Plus body A width. This looks good, and confirm. Nice. I did it with solids, and I wanted to have separated bodies, so therefore I can now move these occurrences as well, and I want to rotate them. Maybe I should first check if it works as intended, so let's go to our parameters, and I want to change maybe body A width to 40 and see if it works. Yes, it works. Great. Maybe change this to 20. Yeah, that's something's wrong. Okay. Change it back to 40. And this back to 20. So there's still a slight little error somewhere. Let's check these distances. If I reduce that one to 20, it doesn't work. Why? Because this is wrong. The body A width is wrong. So let's go to the parameters, and body A width should not be body B but body Z. And done. Let's check it once again. Make this 20. Yes, it works. Make this 20 as well. Yes, nice. Make this 40. Yes, it works. Great. And I'm done. Now let's rotate these bodies. Go to 3D model, go to modify, go to move bodies, and I want to move this body, but I want to rotate it about a line, and that's the Z axis. Okay, and it should be 72 degrees. Yes. Then again, move bodies, and I want to move this one, and I want to rotate it about a line, and the line should be again the Z axis, and the angle should be 288. Yeah. Once again, move bodies, this one, rotate about a line, again the Z axis, and the angle should be 216. And last but not least, move this one, rotate it around a line, the line is again the Z axis, and the angle should be 144 degrees. This looks nice. Now let's add body E and D and E. First I could combine these all together. Yeah, so combine this one, that one, that one, that one, and this one, and okay. So that's right now body A. If you want to change the bodies, you can always move your end of part up and edit the bodies. Now let's add another sketch on this plane, and this should be something like I don't want to catch center point, I think that's the right point, and this could look like, no, I think that's the wrong one, so maybe I hide this for a moment, and okay. Okay, now give it some dimensions. This should be 5. Oh, okay. This should be 55, so maybe it's better to do this at first. This should be 150. This should be 55, and this should be 115. This dimension should be 42. This should be 38. This should be 30. And that one should be 22. Now let's turn this into a center line. Finish the sketch. Make a revolve and make it a new body and confirm. So let's show our body right here. Yes. Just make both of them invisible and call this body D. And I need another body, therefore another sketch on the same plane, and this could look like this. Dimension should be 15. This should be 10. This should be 55. And this should be 30. Make this line a center line. Finish the sketch and make a revolve. Make it a new body and confirm. Now this has to move. Let's change the name to body E. Okay. And this has to move. So I should maybe define a new parameter. Go to Manage, Parameters. And call this body E length or distance, doesn't matter, it's millimeters, and it should be 5 times body AA width plus body B width. And done. Let's check if I calculated this correctly. Hopefully I did, otherwise I have to change my parameter. So let's show this one, show this one, and move body E, go to 3D model, modify, move bodies. I want to move body E along a ray, and the ray should be set, and it should be body E length. Oh, I misspelled it, sorry. And it should be minus. It's not quite right. It's 5 times this distance plus this one. So go back to our parameters. Five times body B width it's 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 40. Plus 40 plus 20 plus 40 is 120. So maybe just write it different, make it body 2 times body A width plus body B width plus body C width, and should be 5 times body B width plus body C width plus body A width plus body A width. Yes, that's it. Okay, so I'm done. I could combine these at last. So make another combine and combine this one, this body and that one, and confirm. Now let's check if it works. So I go to manage parameters and change the values. Okay, let's check if this one goes to 40. Yes. 20. Yes. 20. Yes. Back again. Okay, it works. Very nice. So hope you enjoyed all my small mistakes, the correction of it, and you enjoy the complete video. See you to the next one. Bye bye.